Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Odoo for Beginners. Today we are going to discuss one use case in food and beverages industries that is regarding with that manufacturing. We are having the business of manufacturing and we are going to manufacture that bottle juice, that orange bottle juice in the pack of 1 liter or 20 liter or whatever, but just currently I am considering the example of 1 liter. BoM components are orange concentrate, water, that packaging materials like bottle, caps and labels. This is the simple process that we are going to use that BoM component, consumption will be there and our final product will be in our hand. Okay, but what the main thing is that all BoM components are at different internal locations. Please make a note, they are not at the sub location, they are at the different internal location as in the large giant warehouses. Okay, so how we can do that? Because here Odoo will, if we are going to mention that warehouses is two-step manufacturing, the pick component will be at the stock locations, but our components are at the different locations. So how we can do that? Okay, so all currently I have purchased all the raw materials, they are at the specific locations. So let me open my database, let me go to that database and let me open those all products. Okay, this is my main product, that packed orange juice we are going to manufacture. I have already mentioned the bill of material. With that, let me open that concentrate, purified water, bottle cap and labels. Okay, now let me go to the warehouse. In the warehouse we have mentioned that we have that two-step pick components and manufacture, and along with that we have created the different location, that is concentrate locations, that is stored my orange concentrate, that pre-productions, that stock locations, that water location that is responsible for storing the water, and packaging that is responsible for storing that bottles, caps and labels. Now how we can do that? Let's check on that. Okay, now I am going to create that manufacturing order directly. Let me create that manufacturing order, and my is orange, just I am going to manufacture only one, let me make it one. Okay, now I am just going to confirm it. Okay, now here you can see that one transfer is created, but that picked the components from stock location to pre-production. So here you can see that still all components are available. So let me open the one of the product itself. So here you can see that the products are available, and if I will check, the products are available at the particular locations. So how we can make those automation, that there is no need to do the internal transfer from concentrate to stock for orange concentrate, water to stock for water, and packaging to stock for our packaging materials. Okay, so here we can do it easily by configuring the routes and applying those routes on the product itself. So let's jump on that. For first step, for creating the routes, operation types we have to create it. So I have created 3 operation type. First, concentrate to stock, that is my internal transfer. Next one is the water to stock, that again my internal transfer, and third one is the packaging to stock, that again internal transfer to transfer the bottles, bottle caps and packaging material from packaging to stock. Okay, now step number 2, we have to apply these operation types on the routes. I have already created those routes. So first route is concentrate to stock, and here you can see that I am going to apply those route on the products. And if we can see the rule, it will be a pull from, and I am going to use that operation type which is concentrate to stock. Same I am doing with the next route, which is the water to stock. This is again pull from, and I am going to use that operation type that I have created. And third one is my route which is packaging to stock. Okay, here this same configuration, this configuration is very important. And now step number 3, apply these routes on the product itself. So I am going to click on that products. My product is orange concentrate. On that I am going to apply that concentrate to stock. This step is done. Now second is my water. For water I am going to apply that water to stock. Okay, just let me click on that and I am going to save it. And our next one is the bottle caps and labels. These are my labels, pack to stock, my caps. Okay, bottle caps, again pack to stock, and my next one is labels, that 1 liter bottles, that again from pack to stock. might be all are there. Let me check that configuration again. This is my juice that we are going to manufacture. Okay, let me make it as manufacture. No worries for that. That's my concentrate to water. Now let's check for the bottle, label and bottle cap. Now everything is there. Now what happens here? Okay, now let me make those manufacturing order. Now let me just cancel it for now. Okay, now what happens here? Now I am going to step number 4. I am going to apply those reordering rule that we have to apply on that product itself. First of all, I am applying on the orange concentrate. 0 0 reordering rule will be there, and 0 0. If the products are not available in 0 0, then we are going to pass from concentrate to stock. Okay, this will be auto, and just let me save it. Next one is my water, purified water. Again, that 0 0 reordering rule. With that, if the not available, then we are going to use that route, water to stock. Trigger is there. Next one for that labels. If the labels are not available in stock, then we are going to use that packaging to stock. Auto is there. This is for label. This is for 1L bottle. This is 0 0 reordering rule. Pack to bottle, and this is the thing. One more product is again missing, which is my caps. Okay, caps are there in the inventory. Okay, and just applying the reordering rule, which is the 0 0, and this is pack to stock. Okay, so now 4 steps. First, operation time. Second, configuration of that routes, applying of those routes on the products, and fourth, that reordering rule. Now let's do that. There is no need to do any manual transfer. The automatically transfer will be created. So again, manufacturing orders. I'm going to click on that. My product is packed juice. Let me just manufacture only one. Okay, I'm just going to confirm it. So again, transfer is created, but all products are transferred from stock to pre-production. Now let me duplicate it, and let me go to the inventory dashboard, and boom. Here you can see that all the transfers are created automatically. First, let's look into concentrate to stock. Here you can see that these products are transferred. The transfer is automatically created. There is no need to create any manual transfer. I am going to validate for that orange concentrate. Let's check for that water to stock. Again, just let me validate it, and it will be here. And again, one more for that packaging to stock. All are here, and I am just going to validate it. Now all the stocks are available at one location, which is the stock. So now I can go to that manufacturing orders. Let me go to that manufacturing orders, and let me check that the transfers. Now all products are available. We can validate it, and let me jump to that manufacturing order, and we can produce all. So this is the thing. So complex thing is that the all components are not at one location. They are at different location. So we have to do the internal transfers from one to another, but using the routes properly, we can avoid that manual operation, and we can make it that automations. You can do it from your sides, and let me know if you have queries. Thank you guys.